it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a baby snake. Just grab a marker and it'll be easy. So anybody can do it, so let's get started. Round part for the front of the face. 2 dots at the end, and that's going to be the nose. Kind of an upside down U shape, and another shape below that for the eye. And then there for the pupil. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap around the head here. Into the body. Follow that S curve. Completely follow that curve. One last curve around, and this is kind of, you don't, that doesn't have to be exact. You can make that, as wiggly as you want. One back here. And now we're just going to do the front side. We're going to pull a thinner line toward the front. Just going to put these lines toward the bottom of the snake belly. And we're going to throw a fork tongue. That pattern's back. And maybe some little hearts over here. It's a friendly baby snake. And that's pretty much it. I hope that was easy enough. It's relatively simple. A lot of it is just curves. So, and the curves can be very subjective, So just kind of remember that part. The eye is relatively simple. You can put whatever pattern you want on the back. So thank you so much. If you guys ever want to show me your drawings, you can post them to the Easy Pictures to Draw Facebook page, and I'm going to link that below. If you do like what I do, if you're a fan of what I do, if you enjoyed it, click that like button. Also, I have a tip jar. It's an online cute tip jar. Really, it's because I'm going to put money into this channel. I'm going to try to make new graphics, and I'm going to also have editing so I can do more videos. Right now we're doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos. Thank you so much. Also, leave me a comment. I reply to every single comment, so start a conversation with me and we can talk art. Thank you so much.